Oh, we're on vlogging again.
Well, I thought might as well.
You got to, Colin.
Yeah. So here we go again. Colin Furze's hit 5 million subscribers, and it seems to me that the more subscribers he gets, the closer he gets to the fireworks. 1 and 2 million were just out the back of the truck. 3 million was the Death Star fireworks. 4 million, he was quite close with the fire tornado. He did have to sort of shield himself a bit. And 5 million, well, you'll see. But believe you me, he's pretty close. God knows what he's going to do for 6 million. I think he's going to have to let him off out his backside. So I'm going to be taking 2 drones tonight. I've got the Mavic and the Phantom. I am going to be flying them both at the same time, which sounds more impressive than it is, because actually all I'm going to do with the Mavic is park it over the field somewhere and get a nice wide angled shot down, and then I'll fly the Phantom to get some more sort of dynamic shots of him trying to kill himself. Well, he says he's en route, so we'll see if we can get the drone ready to catch him arriving. Here we go then.
I thought we'd have a rear light taxiing up the runway, don't you think?
I think that's a brilliant idea. And then the planes can see him as they come in and take a boarding in action.
Yeah. And if anybody does happen to come up the runway on a dark night, they'll know what they're coming up against.
They will.
Look, a hazard.
I think they might notice the 4 million fireworks before they see the light.
If you've got anything about them, you'd assume so.
Rick, you know the light that you put on?
Yeah.
It fell off in between Catton and Stamford. I saw it ping off.
Oh no!
So
you don't know some warning.
It's always bloody. I wish your subscribers would just time it so that the weather was good.
Well, but it should be August, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, when it clicked over 5 million, I was sat on the beach in Canada.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I was sat there watching it live.
Oh,
you're in proud of Ethan, you are.
What is that? Are you going to sell flowers with it?
Yeah, you could do afterwards. Has he told you what's happening tonight? You're in for a 10-second brilliant display. The whole lot's going to go off at once.
Yeah, what's your audio levels like?
Well, I can't tell if you do that. Colin Furze channel has hit 5 million subscribers, so I've made this. Right, let's get it loaded up.
You think you can do it rolling through?
A bicycle is going to get loaded up with 1,000 rockets. Let's go!
I've been losing my head on these lonely, shitty nights. When I've been twisting my mind inside.
A roll in it.
Yeah, I can't straight up. That's proper cut, that is.
Has she done the same? I wonder if she feels like me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where did we go wrong? I wish I knew. You started out so good. Disaster. Where did we go wrong? I guess it doesn't matter. It's all the same now.
Oh, this is interesting. I think I've made a bike I can't ride.
I think you're going to need a push start, aren't you?
Let go, boy.
Go!
Yeah, we're alright, we can still ride it.
The wind's going to pass up.
Not sure how good an idea this was now I'm looking at it. On paper, fantastic.
I guess it doesn't matter. It's all the
How have you got a fire extinguisher?
No. We got cardboard.
And a wet field to roll in.
No, I'm being serious, because if that sponge does catch fire.
No, it just melt.
Yeah.
I tried it with a blow lamp in the shed this morning. It'll just stick to him.
The brewery. It's just that 30 degree burn.
Maybe the new X-Men.
So yeah, so you need to run.
Combo.
Well, I can run pretty fast forwards,
Yeah.
sidewards, looking backwards.
Yeah,
with the
well, if
camera
that's
and the
it.
light, but
Yeah.
I'm slow.
Keep doing that and just holding it.
Yeah,
It should
I'll
be
be
too
alright.
much, shouldn't it? Yeah.
It doesn't matter, it's all a thing now. Maybe we win it.
5 million! 1,000 rockets! Yeah.